Hello everybody. Last week Raphael, our production manager, already gave you a short update about the fact that we found a place very close to our headquarters. Right now we are working 24/7 to get the production run as soon as possible. We just received some machines, some of them you can see over here, and we want to thank the company Wunderlich, which is one of the biggest after-sales component manufacturer and supplier for two-wheelers in the world, who support us heavily with machines and tools to get our project, the new production, run as fast and smooth as possible. We are trying very heavily to get the production run again and to ensure that all our Kumpans will come to you as soon as possible. I want to say thank you again to all the supporters, and we keep you updated within the next days what's happening. Give us a few more days, a few more weeks, and we'll make the impossible thing happen, and to prove that we are the best in producing the best electrical vehicle in the world.